Decoding the phrase, in code. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive deep into a fascinating English phrase, in code. We often hear people use it in different situations, and it can be quite intriguing. But what does it really mean? Stick around, and let's unravel this together. The term, code, generally refers to a system of symbols or signals used to represent something else. Historically, codes have been used to keep information secret or to transmit messages in a way that only specific people can understand. So, when we say something is in code, we literally mean that it's presented in a form that isn't immediately understandable to everyone and requires decoding or interpretation. In daily conversations, in code might not always refer to a secret message. Sometimes, it's used more figuratively. For instance, 1. If two friends are talking, in code, at a party, they might be using inside jokes or references that only they understand. 2. Parents might speak, in code, in front of their young children when discussing topics they don't want their kids to grasp immediately. The phrase can highlight any situation where language or communication is used in a deliberately ambiguous or concealed manner. It's important not to confuse the phrase, in code, with related terms in technology. For example, 1. Programming code. This is the language used by programmers to write software. While it might look like code to those unfamiliar, it's not what's typically meant by the phrase, in code, in everyday conversation. 2. Morse code. This is a specific type of code used in telecommunication. While it's a form of code, it's more specific than the general use of the phrase, in code. Understanding the context is key to distinguishing these nuances. And there you have it. The phrase, in code, is a versatile one in the English language, encapsulating both the realms of secrets and everyday communication. We hope this exploration has shed light on its intriguing uses. Remember, language is always evolving, and it's full of wonderful surprises. Keep exploring, and happy decoding!